Today we're unboxing a Cobb Titanium Catback for an 02 to 07 WRX or STI. You can also use them on a 93 to 01 Impreza if it's using a engine from an STI or WRX. So let's take a look here, see what we got. Get some nice gloves on. With a titanium catback, you can't use your fingers on it because they'll stain the titanium, and then when you get some heat going through it, they'll leave a permanent mark. So we want to use clean gloves for this. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, well, not a lot of packing material. License plate frame. Sticker with 2 clamps, looks like. Here's the tip over here. Let's grab a pair of scissors. Okay, there's the titanium tip. Looks like it has an actual kind of coating on here. Yeah, it's got a wrap on here. So I'm going to leave that on until I get the full exhaust on the car. Grab the mid pipe out next. Ooh, doesn't weigh anything. Oh man, that feels like it weighs maybe a pound. Sure, it weighs more. Interesting. There's a little indentation here, probably for clearance. Oh, the welds are so nice. That's a quality piece. We'll pipe out. This is going to take a bit longer. Taking a little longer than I expected. Oh, there we go. That's beautiful. That is a very nice piece right there. Straight through. Oh, welds are immaculate. No dents or dings. Maybe a little scratch here or there, but there you go, Cobb. Yeah. Weighs a little bit more than I expected with the pipe there, but it's not bad at all. What I think I'll do, I think I'll grab the scale, see what we get here. The metal, these are 0.7 pounds here. Let's turn this down, show that again. So those are 0.7, mid pipe here. Looks like 3.4. And then this guy here, 10.7. So that's a little lighter than they said, because they said 17 pounds. 10 and 3, you're looking at 15 pounds total. That's very light. Alrighty. So this will be replacing a SPT catback, so we shall see. Alright, in case you wanted to know, tools used for this: 14mm, 13mm, 12mm wrench. Power tools not necessary. Some silicone spray and need one of these, exhaust hanger remover. Used that many times. And that's basically it. It went on pretty easy. It's very adjustable with the different joints. Now I'm going to clean it. Alright, got the SPT exhaust off, so let's go ahead and weigh with a standard catalytic converter. Not catalytic converter, exhaust catback, sorry. So mid pipe here, at what, 10 pounds about, and muffler at 19.6. So we shaved, that's 30 pounds. And we shaved a good 15 pounds or so. Other catbacks weigh a little bit more if they have a resonator. Some will weigh a little bit less than that, but usually a catback would be about that weight. So, alrighty, that concludes this unboxing, install, and comparison.